Home remedies for black spots on your face. Many black spots or dark patches can be easily lightened or eliminated to restore a glowing facial complexion. Dark spots, patches and other marks on the face may be due to excess secretion of melanin on the skin. Some factors that can lead to this condition include overexposure to the sun, hormone imbalance, pregnancy, certain medications, vitamin deficiencies, lack of sleep and too much stress. Spots and patches on the face can be embarrassing and even lead to low self-esteem. Luckily, there are many possible treatments, such as acid peels and laser surgeries. Simple, natural homemade remedies also may reduce the appearance of spots and other blemishes on your face. Here are top 6 home remedies for black spots on face. 1. Lemon juice. 1. Put some fresh lemon juice on a cotton ball and rub it directly on the affected skin area. 2. Allow it to dry and then wash it off with plain water. 3. Continue applying this dark spot removal home remedy for at least 2 weeks to get the desired result. If you have delicate or sensitive skin, you can dilute the lemon juice with plain water, rose water, or honey. You can also use lime juice to get rid of black spots, applying it in the same manner as described above. Note: don't use lemon juice if you have got open sores or lesions on the skin. Also, avoid going out in the sun after using the lemon juice as it can make your skin photosensitive. 2. Potato. Method 1. 1. Slice up a potato. 2. Place one slice directly on the black spots. 3. Leave it on for a few minutes and then wash your face with lukewarm water. Some people have also had success using tomatoes to get rid of dark black spots within a few weeks. 3. Buttermilk. 1. Take 4 teaspoons of buttermilk. 2. Add 2 teaspoons of fresh tomato juice. 3. Mix the 2 ingredients, both have excellent bleaching properties, and then apply. 4. Wash it off after 15 minutes. If you do not have buttermilk, simply soak a cotton ball in milk and dab it directly on your spots. Leave it on for about 10 minutes and then wash it off. Repeat this procedure twice daily for 4 to 5 weeks. 4. Aloe Vera. 1. Extract fresh aloe vera gel from an aloe leaf. 2. Apply it directly on dark patches and black spots. 3. Gently massage the area with your fingertips for a few minutes. 4. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse your face. 5. Repeat this once or twice daily for a few weeks to fade skin discolorations. If it becomes messy, use a clean cloth soaked in warm water to remove the mask. Follow this treatment once or twice a week. Vitamin E oil and castor oil, 2, are useful in getting rid of black spots. 5. Sandalwood. 1. Make a thick paste of 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder, 1 tablespoon of glycerin and 3 tablespoons of rose water. If you don't have rose water, you can use milk or honey. 2. Apply the thick paste to the affected skin area, leaving it on for a few minutes. Wash off the paste with lukewarm water. 3. Follow this remedy once daily until your black spots vanish completely. 6. Turmeric. 1. Make a thick paste of 2 teaspoons of turmeric and a little milk and lemon juice. 2. Apply it to the skin where there are black spots. 3. Leave it on for a few minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water.